Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and it's your girl Kissy Unstoppable, and today I'm going to show you how to do chicken back and chicken foot soup. So you can see right here I have me some chicken back and some chicken foot. Yeah, chicken back and chicken foot soup me I gonna cook right now. So no go nowhere, me soon come back. I'm gonna clean up my chicken back and I'm gonna clean up my chicken foot. Cut off them little toe or something here. You know, you don't know the thing, and clean out them little thing out of the chicken back. You don't know the things, go. Funny enough, you know, guy, when I was living in Jamaica, I never bought chicken back before. I never see my hand cook it, but anyways, I'm gonna get going. So you don't know, me soon come back. Now guys, you can see that my meat is already clean. Look at my chicken foot, look at my chicken back, well clean. Look, everything is cleaned out, all the fat is gone. Look at that. So I'm gonna put a little seasoning on it, even though it's I'm making soup, but I'm gonna put a little season to make the meat taste a little, you know, a little different when it's inside the soup. You know what I'm talking about. So I put a little all-purpose for the meat season and a little roasted garlic. So I'm gonna rub it in and I'm gonna put it aside for a bit. That's my chicken foot and my chicken back right there. So I'm gonna put it to boil right now. So I'm gonna put them in the water. Watch clean chicken back, watch clean chicken foot. So I'm gonna put some garlic in it and I'm gonna let it boil. So it's time to make my soup. So as you guys can see right here, I have me some yellow yam. I have my carrots here. I have a cocoa there. They call it edo here, but we call it cocoa back home. I have my sweet potato. I have some Irish potato. I have some pumpkin. So I'm gonna peel all these, like my pumpkin and my carrots. I'm gonna peel it right now. I'm gonna wash them and I'm gonna put it in the pot. Over here, that's my chicken foot and my chicken back. I boiled it like for maybe like 20 minutes already. So I turned the fire down. So I'm gonna add my pumpkin and my carrots in. So as you can see now guys, I already washed my pumpkin and diced up my pumpkin. My carrot already diced, my Irish potato, and over here I have my cocoa, my sweet potato, and my yellow yam. So I'm gonna put in my pumpkin right now and my carrot, and then I'm gonna make my flour dumplings. So now I'm gonna put in my pumpkin and my carrots. So now guys, I'm gonna make my flour. I have some flour here, some Jamaican flour mill flour. So I'm gonna make some dumpling right now. So now I'm gonna add some cornmeal, because you know you can't make dumpling and not put some cornmeal in it. Now I'm gonna put some salt. So I'm gonna mix it up and then I'm gonna get my water. And guys, my hands are clean. Make sure your hands are clean when you're making dumplings. For me, I don't really like eat dumplings from people, but if I make it, I will eat it. So make sure your hands are clean guys when you're making dumplings, and your fingernails are clean. Put in some dumplings. So I'm making like some spinach dumpling, not making any big dumplings, just some little spinach dumpling, or roll up dumpling as what you guys would say. So guys, I'm cooking chicken back and chicken foot soup. First time making chicken back soup. was talking to someone the other day and I said, what are you cooking? And she said chicken back soup. So I said, you know what, let me try it, because I don't really like chicken soup. I don't like chicken soup. I'm gonna add my yams, yellow yam. And I'm gonna add my sweet potato in at the same time. I'm gonna add a little bit more water, and that's warm water, so because you want it to keep the pot going, you don't want to slow down the process. I put in my cocoa, as they call it here Edo, but I call it cocoa. That's what I know it as back home. Drop in some Irish. I put the Irish last because I don't want it to like boil out. I want it to be solid. Look at the soup. Soup look rich already and it's not even finished as yet. I'm gonna add some corn to it. So some corn here. And I have these corn from last summer. I think around in October or so. I got them and I just cut them and freeze them. Because you know, after summer, corn is expensive. So why, when you can get it for cheap in summertime, why not buy enough and freeze them so you can have them to use? And it tastes just the same. Fresh scallion, thyme, and a pepper, scotch bonnet pepper. So I'm gonna leave it now to boil a little, like for maybe 15 minutes, and then I'm gonna add my my cock soup. Look at this soup, guys. What chicken back soup? What chicken foot? What chicken foot? Watch chicken back over here, sir. Watch yellow yam. Watch dumpling. Anyway, guys, I'm making me some nice chicken foot and chicken back soup. So, as you can see, look how rich my soup is, and I'm not even finished as yet. There's more stuff to go inside, so yeah. And guys, don't forget to check out my other videos. I have some lovely videos there, some delicious recipe you can try at home with your family. Very easy, very simple. I have two noodle here. I have a cock soup, grease cock soup, and I have a Caribbean dream cock soup also, and they're both spicy. So I'm gonna mix them in some water and I'm gonna pour it inside my pot. I'm not gonna put the noodle part because I don't really like the noodle part, so I'm gonna just strain it through my strainer so that the noodle doesn't go inside the pot. So now, guys, I'm gonna put my noodle, and as I said before, I'm gonna strain it off because I don't want the noodle part to go inside the soup. I don't like the noodles. I'm gonna stir it around. As you if you smell this aroma inside this kitchen. Wow. Wow. Guys, look at this color. Look at the color of the soup. Look at it. Look at it. Everything is solid. Nothing like the Irish is not solid. It doesn't boil out. See? Carrots the same. The pumpkin is the same. Look at that, guys. Look how rich my soup look. Wow. Tastes good too, and it smells real good. Guys, it tastes so good. And because I remember I show you guys I season the chicken foot. I put a little season on the chicken foot and the chicken back, so it made the soup have that nice taste. Wow. Can't wait to dig in. So I'm gonna leave it like for another 5 minutes, and then I'm gonna turn the fire off, because basically everything is cooked. So guys, I turn off the stove. My soup is finished, so I'm gonna share a bowl and let you guys see. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. So I'm gonna share a bowl and let you guys see the final result of my chicken foot and chicken back soup. So I'm sharing out a bowl now, guys. Okay guys, that's the finished product of my chicken back and chicken foot soup. Look at that delicious rich bowl of soup. Look at that. Look at that. So you know guys, you know what time is it? You know what time is it? Like, share, subscribe, comment down below, and let me know what you think about my lovely bowl of soup right there. And don't forget to hit that notification button so you can know each time your girl upload a video. And I hope you all enjoy this video. Until next time, I'm out.